Are great chefs talented or lucky?
While many well-known foods were created accidentally, others appeared through the intentional mixing of traditional and unusual ingredients. While most of these new delicacies were thrown in the trash, a few became instant hits. Cornflake cereal, ice cream cones, potato chips, and sandwiches were all created by accident. They were all originally perceived as culinary mistakes because their creators stepped away from the traditional recipes. While ordinary chefs follow recipes to create standard and unsurprising food, great chefs follow their intuition to create masterpieces. Minor adjustments to common recipes help them create their signature dishes. They don't fry the onions for exactly 3.5 minutes. Instead, they fry them until they are translucent with a tint of golden brown. Their intuition tells them that a tablespoon of salt would be too much. So, they scrape a little salt off and then a little bit more, making it just the right amount to bring the flavors alive. Success is in the details.